Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my
Ron grinding. Checking out the boy J Malcolm. New tank straps. On Dolo. We're doing a little bit of work of our own over here. On Blue Magic. Blue Magic. Now you may think or ask yourself, why is the ass end up? Well, we have something we need to do too. In the ride off yesterday, other day, whatever day it was, I don't really say dates, but yeah, I decided that I was going to pretty much, I ain't like the way that it was riding. I figured it needs shocks on the back. After a second opinion from my boy Cortez, I went ahead and went and grabbed the shocks. Also, ball joint on the front passenger side. Eventually, I was just gonna replace control arms all the way together, man. Control arms, up and lower control arms, new springs, like the whole fucking thing, man. But since we're so close to the deadline, I don't like the way that shit riding. I'm gonna go ahead and replace these bad boys. As you can see, I already got them all. That's the old one. That's the new one. It actually looks to be a little bit shorter. I don't know what that's about, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Comes with new hardware. The old one, surprisingly, just had that kind of cut off and slid it in. Where the new one, I guess you actually have to take the bolt out. So I'm gonna get that out and then get the new one bolted up there and then get busy. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LS254, man, and I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LS254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevy Rider or Caprice today. Got both of them on. Gotta put this last one on here. Got this other one. I don't think you're supposed to take them both off at the same time, so I did one at a time. Got that one up there. Did this other one up here on this side. It really wasn't too bad, man. Just have some extensions and shit. Have some extensions and shit and you'll be alright. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to it but to do it, nigga. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're doing it. It's Blue Magic. Coming down. Coming down. Now this is, it was just on my grab right now. Down the line, will I upgrade it? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Only time will tell. But if you don't subscribe, you'll never know. So click the subscribe button and holla at your boy. Just looking at this. Alright, so you know what it is. Identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choice and choose wisely. And productivity or procrastination. Gone. Man, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy. I got everything turned around, tooted up. Nah, I mean, let me show you what we've been working on. I kind of been slacking, but I kind of been on it. I still haven't mounted this damn switch. I need to get my fucking top back, nigga. Gotta get my top back. However, I did go ahead and get them speakers in there. See. I haven't put the dash all the way back on because I'm not exactly sure how that shit gonna work. So I need to wire up the radio. Well, not wire up the radio, wire the amp and the RCAs. Wire the switch, which I'm still kind of indecisive on where the hell I want it at. I might just wait because I want to say there. I need to get some power to that bitch though. I need to get some power to it so it's running off the car and I don't have to depend on that fucking jump box. So that'll probably be something that has to get done today. LED light up under there. Here, I need to do the one on the other side. Yeah, man, it's coming together. Got some Pioneers in there looking good. Actually sound pretty nice too, man. Let me get some keys first, man. Let's get us some keys. Keys! Oh yeah, we got a package, man. We got a package from that boy Roger. I ain't opened it yet, man. I think I'm gonna open it on live, man. I don't know what it is. He said it's for my birthday. Happy birthday. I'm excited to open that shit, but I think I wanna do it as a live. I don't think I wanna do it just off camera on the phone. It'll be a little different experience. Let me find the damn keys.